In this video, I'm going to show you how to find viral trending products for your Etsy store. So the first thing you want to do is go to insightsfactory.app. Once you are at insightsfactory.app, I'm going to show website here, insightsfactory.app. So it's going to show you all the trending merchandise on Etsy, Amazon, Redbubble, all that. So you want to click on Etsy trends. So here you're just going to, on the basic plan, you get limited access, pro users access 1000 new trends every day, so 10 days delay, pro users discover trends immediately. So if you want to see trends that are currently trending, yeah, you want to go with the pro plan. But on the limited plan, you can just check for what has been trending the last 10 days, so that should work as well. So the first thing, you want to go to shirts or hoodies, SVGs, downloadables, mugs, tote bags, socks, phone cases, and postcards. So you just check on what they've listed here for you. So the one that stands out for you and also is in high demand right now, that's the product you want to sell. So you can also check it on Etsy, you can also check it on Google Trends. You can also see we have 7,575 niche views in the last 30 days. We have 972 new favorites in the last 30 days. Then here we have the competition without ads for Etsy in the US. So we have around 6,600 that are currently working for this product here. So you just want to check the one that stands out for you. That is the one you'd want to go for. So taking a look at this ones here regarding the vaccine, so you can just check for more. So you want to check for a product that really stands out for you. So if a product stands out for you, then you'd also want to be selling that same product. So here I'm in the t-shirts category. So 50th birthday shirt, wash your hands. So this one is a quarantine shirt. So this one would have been really ideal when the current situation was on the higher end. So this you can close, they'll just give you the notifications to try and upgrade. But as you have seen, you get limited access, so you can just work with that as well. So let's see if we can go back to page 1. Give it time. Alright, yeah, there's one here I've seen, and I had seen it earlier on. Let's try and look further. Sort by niche, potential, competition, new favorites, or views. So just take a look at that. We can go to the third page. Let's wait for it to load here so that we see we can get others. So nothing stands out for me on the t-shirt section. So let's see if we have any on the hoodies. So here we have hoodies for couples. So as you can see, this one is a top seller, this one is a second top seller, then this one is a third top seller. I don't do matching sweaters, but I do. So you see it has 16.5 niche views in the last 30 days. Then we have 689 favorites. Then competition is at 12.3k. Then let's see this one here. Got that for you. Okay, let's go to mugs. So for mugs, we have cats, pizza swine, your possum. Just check until you come across something that you think can be a favorite for you. Let's see, phone cases. So for the phone cases, seems like a lot of them are sports. My Hero, View, and Etsy. Let's check postcards. Okay, then let's go back to shirts. I believe shirts is where we have high potential. So we have this one here says your design here that has the highest number of views. So let's look at this buy bachelorette shirt. Then let's see if we can get another one here. Okay, they need you to upgrade to see further. Okay, just your logo here. If you can see the one that has your logo here, seems like it's trending here. That's my big pro. Okay, let's go to Redbubble. So you can cross switch from one to the other. Let's see if we can have one from Redbubble or Match by Amazon. So girls, this one is a top seller here, then this one is a second top seller. So let's see about this one here, if we can check it on Etsy. So you can see the one trending is girls. It's something indicated as girls, so you can just print out a shirt whereby it's indicated as girls. So let's see if we can see more. You have girls, yeah. So I believe you would want to go with this. So the next thing is just go to any editing software, create a design that says girls. Then with this design you can be able now to upload it to your print on demand service. Let's say if it's Printful, let's say if it's Printify. So with that one there, you can be able to upload that design to your Etsy store, then start selling. So I'm going to share a link in the description for Insights Factory, whereby you can go and start checking for the latest trending designs and start selling on your Etsy store.